What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com. Now, when you receive your Termite golf carts, this is electric, by the way, there's one thing that you need to do after you get it assembled. So let's show you right here. When you receive the unit, okay, you're gonna turn it on, and you've got your ignition right here, so off and then on, and you're gonna hear a little click noise. Let's show you. Ready? So you hear that noise, but the problem, if we put this on forward here and we put our foot on the gas, it does nothing. You can see. This is gas and brake, by the way, boys and girls. Gas and brake. Does nothing. So what you have to do, even though it makes the noise of reverse, you need to go in the back of the vehicle here, and you have to flip and watch. Here's the easiest way to tell. Right now, if this can easily, freely move back and forth, that means it's essentially in tow or neutral right now. So what we have to do is go underneath. There is one lever here that you see. It's on the motor. You simply pull it back towards the rear of the vehicle. It then locks it in place where it will not go up or down a hill. It won't move. It's literally like in lock mode, okay? As you can see, we're trying to push it back and forth, and it won't do anything. So now what we do is we turn the key from the off position to the on position. You hear the noise, you put it in forward, and bam, there you go. Now keep in mind, when we go ahead and use the Termite, when you let off of the gas, it applies the brake automatically. Okay, so there's nothing wrong. You're not missing a gas pedal. We didn't throw it in the garbage before we shipped it out. It is, and this is how these come. They're really cool. Neat little item. Like I said, gases go, let off, depresses, and we'll go ahead and stop the vehicle. So again, a little bit of information. Very important that you guys know on the Termite golf cart here that you can go ahead and adjust that. You can put it in the tow mode, or you can also leave it in the go mode. So very important. And again, that is on, if you're sitting on the golf cart, it's on the passenger side right underneath the rear tire. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. And again, any other questions, you can call us today, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.